This clip will introduce you to the transparency-related 2D enhancements made to building materials. ArchiCAD18 introduces transparency-related enhancements for the display of composite structure and complex profile skins in all viewpoints. In the floor plan viewpoint, if you have a slanted or double slanted wall with a composite structure that has a transparent skin, the program now displays the skin's neighboring skins' slanted surfaces. This feature also works for complex walls, as well as slanted columns and complex columns. Select the slanted composite wall on the floor plan. Right-click and select the Edit Selected Composite command from the context menu. You can see in the dialog that the composite uses the airspace building material. Leave the dialog, then select Options, Element Attributes, Building Materials menu command to activate the Building Materials dialog. In the dialog, select the airspace item on the left pane. Its settings appear in the right pane. In the Structure and Appearance panel, two settings are needed for a truly transparent composite skin in 2D. The first is the Cut Fill Background pen, which needs to be set to 0 or transparent value. The second is that the cut fill must be a solid fill type with a 0 opacity setting set in the Fill Types dialog. In the default Archicad template file, airspace and background are two such fill types. If we use a non-solid cut fill for the building material, we will not see into the body of the transparent skin. Also, if we set a non-zero value for the cut fill background pen of the building material, again, we will not see into the body of the transparent skin in 2D. So, both values need to be set properly for a correct floor plan representation.